under a bluster day in Inwood. That's f***ing great. Check this out, boys. In a couple days. I said 120 in my other video, but it was 130. Trailer on and go get a ownership and stuff. A couple different things we gotta do today, but yeah, smoking cigarettes. Oh, look at the barcode on that one. Oh, copper.
Oh, so even if copper tubes on the inside?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There's gonna be a fucking lot of those.
Oh, all right. Well, we'll just fire them in there. Then I'll just have to go through them. That's all right. We'll fire them in there, and then I'll just have to tell them that it's littered with copper ones too.
My bad. Yeah, if I had known that, then
no worries.
I would have fucking.
That's all right.
Okay.
Is there how many's left?
There's 5, 6. But they have all the fucking gasket material on the side of it.
Anyways, I need to get a jack or something. Jack this fucking trailer up.
Right off there, fucking slip back out a little bit this one.
Maybe we can just shove it.
Backup camera either, right?
Yeah.
About to say, man, holy got that on there first shot.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh. That was close. Hey. Holy shnikes, this is a good load too, boys. 70 cents a pound. What happened? Freaking white van guy wanted to give me $500 for all those. See what's happening here? Pino cut. That's what that means. Go. Oh, wait. It's a really muddy. Not too bad, a little bit. Well, hopefully we'll make it, boys. I gotta drop off the plates for that Peter Schmidt that I got and pick up the ownership and the rest of the sideboards for the bed. Okay. Bad. Oh no, 12,460. Oh no. What's going on? Oh, your scale's broken.
Why?
Well, it only said like 12,000 something something.
Well, you got paper on the back.
Paper?
Paper.
That's aluminum.
Surprised it wasn't blown off the trailer as you're driving.
Oh, you got a couple straps on there. I don't even know what to do with it.
I don't know either. We're gonna get a bin.
Right on.
Get a big bin.
Well, here's the other thing. There was this communication because the new guy is still learning how to listen. So there's a bunch of copper aluminum radiators in there too.
mixed all in the bunch.
Hope you're happy.
Well, just throw them. You have to throw them like to the front of the trailer or something. Because they're worth a lot more than just aluminum.
Looking for a service body for this unit. The guy messaged me, he showed me his truck, and he's like, you should get a service body. It's like, why don't I have a service body? Couple Thors, situation, you know what I mean? Tools and stuff. Be awesome. That'd be great. I'm gonna try to find one that's not all rusty though. That's the key. Oh, we should get a fuel pump in inwood. Oh, there. There's some of this aluminum here. Yeah. Oh man, look at that. I just found the stash, boys.
What have you read today, eh?
It's all of them I've ever had. I think I got 5 left.
You can convince him to give you a hand?
Oh, I didn't want to bother him. Might have a 3-bin load.
Yep.
That's a good load right there. That's probably good.
Don't want to pick them up twice.
No. This is probably like the 5th time they've been f***ing handled, so that's enough. Holy boys, I did it. Oh, myself. I got one myself. Holy shit, I did good work. So there's only that many copper aluminum rods in there. That's not too bad. Hey, I apologize. Hey, just f*** off with my shit into a room to weigh it all unbeknownst. Just losing it. Hi, or f***ing snap.
1,000 pounds.
1,000 pounds?
I think it was 1,080 or 1,081.
Holy shit.
And then I think the other one was around 18 or something stupid like that. Subtract the weight of the bin on that one.
Try that out. Buddy dumped the rats, he's just fucking out. Son of a fuck.
$14 minus 35 pounds.
Mr. Whitcroft.
I'm gonna be rich.
Good.
Alright, sir, what do you got for me?
He's got 179 copper aluminum rod,
Okay,
and he's got 2,439 of aluminum rod.
okay. Okay, I got that.
All right.
Yep. Thank
I
you.
think he had those mixed up.
Oh, I know, right? Bling, bling.
One for you, one for me. What I did on here, I'm the president of the company, so just in case, I printed my name out on the bottom.
Right on.
You know, just in case.
No worries.
You know, I'll show you the pieces over here. Might have to replace a couple of the 2x4 pieces.
Oh, no worries.
How are you making out? Did you get the air brakes fixed up?
Well, yeah, they got the leak fixed, but the air compressor isn't going over 75 psi, so I don't know. I haven't, you know, it's cold as out, right? So
Yeah,
I'm working
shit,
on
yeah.
other shit, but yeah, the air compressor isn't, like, it's going up enough to you know, turn the light off, but it's not building full pressure. Like it should be 125
I
or.
wonder why that would be. It might need some oil because you got to put some oil in those compressors.
Yeah, maybe.
Check it out.
I don't know.
All right.
Right on, man.
If anything, let me know if there's anything you need.
Cool, man. Thank you. Oh, I got the ownership. If those sides are in better shape, I'd grab them, but they're accurate.